Sawadee khun, my name is Adam and I'm learning how to speak Thai. In this video, I want to share what I've learned this week, how to ask common questions. There are 12 questions in total and I've practiced saying them in both the polite and casual ways. Let's get started. Before we begin, I'd like to quickly touch on spelling and pronunciation. The letter A will represent the R sound, as in R, car and father. The letter E will represent the sound, just like fur, bird and learn. The letter I will represent the E sound, as in key, see and green. The letter O will be used for words with the O sound, as in go, both and home. U is for the U sound, just like do, blue and food. The letter AE combined will be used for the air sound, which is similar to care, hair and bear. The EI combined will be used for the A sound. Example of such words can be found in words like say, make and rain. And now we use this inverted C for the OR sound, as in job, hot and not. And finally, I will use this character, a U with a strike through, for words that sound in between U and Alright, let's begin. Number 1. How are you? How is it going? Kun sà-baai đi mai? Kun sà-baai đi mai? Kun is you, sà-baai is comfortable or well, đi is good, and mai is the yes-no question particle. Kun sà-baai đi mai? To say this in a casual or informal way, I can say bpæn ngai bâang, bpæn ngai bâang. Bpæn is, are or to be. Ngai is the informal version of yang-ngai. Yang-ngai is how, and bâang is some or any. It softens or broadens the questions. Bpæn ngai bâang. Number 2. How's life? Chîi-wít bpæn yang-ngai bâang. Chîi-wít bpæn yang-ngai bâang. Chîi-wít is life, bpæn is, are or to be. Yang-ngai is how, and bâang, again, some or any, similar to a question particle. Chîi-wít bpæn yang-ngai bâang. The casual way to say this is chîi-wít bpæn ngai bâang. I just drop the yang and make it chîi-wít bpæn ngai bâang. How's life? Number 3. What have you been up to lately? Chûang-nii tham a-rai bâang. Chûang-nii tham a-rai bâang. Chûang-nii is these days, lately or recently. Tham is do or make. A-rai, what. You is stay, live or be. And bâang, again, the question particle some or any. Chûang-nii tham a-rai bâang. The casual way to say this is chûang-nii tham a-rai. Chûang-nii tham a-rai. Another informal way to say is tham a-rai bâang. Tham a-rai bâang. There's also another way to say tham a-rai you. Tham a-rai you. Number 4. Where do you live? Khun a-săi thii-năi. Khun a-săi thii-năi. Khun is you, a-săi is reside or live, you stay, live or be, and thii-năi is where, at what place. Khun a-săi thii-năi. I can also say khun yu thii-năi. Khun yu thii-năi. This is still a polite way. The informal way to say this is bâan yu nai. Bâan is house or home, and nai is the informal of thii-năi. Bâan yu nai. Where do you live? Number 5 I have here is where do you live in Thailand? Khun yu thii-năi nai bpra-têɪt Thai. Khun yu thii-năi nai bpra-têɪt Thai. Khun is you is stay, live or be, thii-năi is where, nai is in, bpra-têɪt is country, and Thai, of course, Thai or Thailand. When I combine bpra-têɪt Thai, it becomes the country Thailand. Khun yu thii-năi nai bpra-têɪt Thai. The informal way to say this is Ban yu thîi-năi nai mueng thai. Ban yu thîi-năi nai mueng thai. Ban is house or home, and this time I will place bpra-têɪt to mueng thai. Mueng thai is the casual way to say the name Thailand. Mueng thai. Ban yu thîi-năi nai mueng thai. Number 6. Where are you from? Where are you from is khun ben khon thîi-năi. Khun ben khon thîi-năi. Khun, you. Ben is are or to be. Khon is person and thîi-năi where. Khun ben khon thîi-năi. The casual way to say this is ma jàak nai. Ma jàak nai. Ma is come, jàak is from, and nai, of course, we learned earlier on, it is the informal way to say thîi-năi where. Ma jàak nai. Number 7. Which or what country do you come from? Khun ma jàak bpra-têɪt a-rai. Khun ma jàak bpra-têɪt a-rai. Khun is you, ma is come, jàak from, bpra-têɪt country, a-rai what. Literally it means you come from country what. Khun ma jàak bpra-têɪt a-rai. To say this in an informal way, I can say ma jàak nai. Ma jàak nai. It is also similar to where you're from. Ma jàak nai. Another way to say is bpra-têɪt a-rai. Bpra-têɪt a-rai. At number 8, the question is, have you been to Thailand? Khun khei bai bpra-têɪt thai mai. Khun khei bai bpra-têɪt thai mai. Khun is you, khei is ever, used for past experience, bai is go, bpra-têɪt is Thailand, mai is the question particle, yes or no. Khun khei bai bpra-têɪt thai mai. The casual way to say this is khei bai mueng thai rơ plau. Rơ plau, rơ means or, and plau, no, not yet or empty. Combining rơ plau means or not or yes or no. Khei bai mueng thai rơ plau. Have you been to Thailand? At number 9, who did you come here with? Khun ma thîi-năi gặp rai. Khun ma thîi-năi gặp rai. Khun, you. Ma is come. Thîi-năi is here. Gặp is with, and cry who. Khun ma thîi-năi gặp rai. The casual way to say this is ma gặp rai. Ma gặp rai. And number 10, what do you do for a living, or what is your job? Khun tam ngan a-rai. Khun tam ngan a-rai. Khun is you, tam ngan is work, a-rai what. Khun tam ngan a-rai. To put it in a casual manner or to speak to someone casually, I can say tam a-rai. Tam a-rai. Basically, tam is do, a-rai is what, do what. Tam a-rai. Number 11. What do you do in Thailand? Khun tam a-rai yu ti bpra-têɪt Thai. Khun tam a-rai yu ti bpra-têɪt Thai. Khun is you, tam is do, a-rai what, you is be, stay or live, ti, at or in, bpra-têɪt Thai, Thailand. Khun tam a-rai yu ti bpra-têɪt Thai. The casual way to say is tam a-rai ti mueng Thai. Tam a-rai ti mueng Thai. And finally, the question number 12 is, how long have you been in Thailand? Khun yu ti bpra-têɪt Thai nan ta rai liao. Khun yu ti bpra-têɪt Thai nan ta rai liao. Khun is you is be, stay or live, ti is at or ni, bpra-têɪt Thai, Thailand. Nan is long, used in time, ta rai, how much or how long, and liao, liao means already. Khun yu ti bpra-têɪt Thai nan ta rai liao. To say this in a casual manner, it is you mueng thai nan ruyang. You mueng thai nan ruyang. หรือยัง means or not yet อยู่เมืองไทยนานหรือยัง Let's do a recap by saying all these questions again. Starting from number 1. คุณสบายดีไหมคุณสบายดีไหมเป็นไงบ้างเป็นไงบ้างชีวิตเป็นยังไงบ้างชีวิตเป็นยังไงบ้างชีวิตเป็นไงบ้างชีวิตเป็นไงบ้างช่วงนี้ทำอะไรอยู่บ้างช่วงนี้ทำอะไรอยู่บ้างช่วงนี้ทำอะไรช่วงนี้ทำอะไรทำอะไรบ้างทำอะไรบ้างทำอะไรอยู่ทำอะไรอยู่คุณอาศัยอยู่ที่ไหนคุณอาศัยอยู่ที่ไหนคุณอยู่ที่ไหนคุณอยู่ที่ไหนบ้านอยู่ไหนบ้านอยู่ไหนคุณอยู่ที่ไหนในประเทศไทยคุณอยู่ที่ไหนในประเทศไทยบ้านอยู่ที่ไหนในเมืองไทยบ้านอยู่ที่ไหนในเมืองไทยคุณเป็นคนที่ไหนคุณเป็นคนที่ไหนมาจากไหนมาจากไหนคุณมาจากประเทศอะไรคุณมาจากประเทศอะไรมาจากไหนมาจากไหนประเทศอะไรประเทศอะไรคุณเคยไปประเทศไทยไหมคุณเคยไปประเทศไทยไหมเคยไปเมืองไทยหรือเปล่าเคยไปเมืองไทยหรือเปล่าคุณมาที่นี่กับใครคุณมาที่นี่กับใครมากับใครมากับใครคุณทำงานอะไรคุณทำงานอะไรทำอะไรทำอะไรคุณทำอะไรอยู่ที่ประเทศไทยคุณทำอะไรอยู่ที่ประเทศไทยทำอะไรที่เมืองไทยทำอะไรที่เมืองไทยคุณอยู่ที่ประเทศไทยนานเท่าไรแล้วคุณอยู่ที่ประเทศไทยนานเท่าไรแล้วอยู่เมืองไทยนานหรือยังอยู่เมืองไทยนานหรือยัง That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. ขอบคุณที่ดูวิดีโอนะครับ